Welcome back to the Digital Tutorial, your go-to channel for social media app tutorial, tips, and online opportunities. Hey everyone, want to browse Facebook without anyone knowing you're online? In this quick video, I'll show you how to turn off your active status on Facebook using your mobile app. So let's dive right in. So first, open your Facebook app. Then tap on the menu icon or the three lines in the bottom right. Now scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Next, scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section and tap Active Status. So you'll see an options that says Show when you're active. All you have to do is just toggle it off. Then turn it off completely, and that's it. You're now invisible while browsing Facebook on mobile. So here's the thing, when your active status is off, you won't see other people's active status. Okay? If you turn off active status for one app, you may still appear active on a different app that doesn't have it off. Now, for example, if you turn off active status for your Facebook app, but not for your Messenger app, people may still be able to see your status on Messenger. If you don't want to show your active status, turn it off wherever you're using Messenger or Facebook. So that's it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to know this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.